How to get Popeyes coupon. Hello and welcome to the channel everyone. Let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To get yourself your Popeye coupon, first and foremost tap open a preferred browser in your device. In the search bar, go ahead and search for Popeye promo code. In here, you'll find various of websites dealing with the promo code of Popeyes. You can select on any of the website that you prefer. In the website, you will find various of offer, promo code and coupon code that you can use. You may even get the chance to enter email address and subscribe to Popeyes so that you never miss out any of the coupon or offer. Just browse through those promo code and tap on either of one that you find interesting and useful for you. If you see a coupon over here, you can just tap on the copy button or you can just press on shop now, which means the coupon code will be already applied in the coupon dialog box and you will even see substantial discount in your grand total. To use it, firstly you will have to purchase a meal from your Popeyes. While checking out, you will notice that the promo code has been added in the promo code button. Then you will even see the discount. So that is how you'll get yourself your Popeyes promo code and use it. That sums up the tutorial as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.